In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Shopify mega menu in just 5 minutes. A mega menu can greatly enhance your online store's navigation, letting your customers find what they need quickly and easily. Let's dive in and set up your Shopify mega menu together. To start, ensure that you're logged into your Shopify account. If you find yourself logged out, don't worry. Head over to the Shopify login page where you'll see the option to log in. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. Once you're on the login page, type in your email. This is the email address associated with your Shopify account. After entering your email, click on the Continue with Email button to move further. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your password and then click on Login to enter your Shopify admin dashboard. With access to your dashboard, navigate to My Store. You'll find this option in the main menu of your Shopify admin. Clicking on it will bring you to a broader selection of store-related settings and options. Next, within your store settings, click on Online Store. This is where you can make changes to the front-end appearance of your Shopify store. To begin customizing your store, click on Themes. You'll see a suite of options for modifying your store's look and functionality. Click on the Customize button to start editing your theme. Now direct your attention to the left side menu and select Header. This takes you to a section where you can tweak the header elements of your store. In this area, look for an option called Desktop Menu Type. Click on this and a new set of options will display. Here, change the menu type to Mega Menu. This setting is essential as it lays the groundwork for all the further modifications you'll make to create an effective mega menu. After switching to the mega menu, make sure you save your changes by clicking the Save button. This step is crucial to ensure that all modifications are applied correctly. Once saved, exit out of the theme customizer to return to the main menu of your Shopify admin. Continue by navigating to Navigation in the admin dashboard. Here, click on Main Menu to access the main navigation settings for your store. Within the main menu settings, select Menus. You'll now have the freedom to arrange the structure of your mega menu. Start by clicking on Menu Items to see your current menu items and make any adjustments as needed. Finally, if you want to add a new menu item to your mega menu, click on Add Menu Item. Once you've finished your adjustments, make sure to hit Save. This confirms your menu setup changes and solidifies the arrangement of your new mega menu. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Shopify store now